You'll be surprised how easy these slight and fluffy steam buns are to make. I often make a double recipe and freeze half for later. Activate your yeast with the milk. And then add it to the dry ingredients. Knead until it's smooth and elastic. And then prove the dough using your oven's proving settings. When it's doubled in size, knock it back and divide it into even-sized pieces. Roll them into balls. If it's a bit sticky, use a bit of flour. Use your rolling pin to roll it into an oval shape and a small piece of baking paper in the middle when you fold it over. And now prove them again. Now we're going to make our sticky sauce. Pop all the ingredients into a saucepan. And bring it to a simmer. This sauce is great with any leftover meats or vegetables. I'm using steamed chicken here. Buns don't take very long in the steam oven. Once your buns are cooked, fill them with the sauce-covered meat and any vegetables you like. What a great, easy snack.